Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you my unique pineapple juice recipe. It is unique because it has 3 different benefits to perform to your system. The first is it will glow your skin from the inside out, thanks to the fact that this drink is highly rich in vitamin C, and we all know the importance of consuming vitamin C. Vitamin C is what will help to glow your skin. Secondly, this drink will help cleanse your system thanks to how it is formulated. So it is important for you to watch this video till the end to see how I came up with this pineapple juice recipe. It will cleanse your system, and when your system is clean, it reflects outerly. You look fresher and radiant. Lastly, it will help to boost your metabolism so you stay in shape. You don't end up with belly fat by food storing up because you cannot digest the food. Your skin will look so youthful when you consume a lot of vitamin C. It is a very powerful antioxidant to fight free radical damage from the inside, causing aging on the skin. So let's get into the making of this very delicious and tasty pineapple juice yourself at home. The first ingredient you need, of course, is 1 pineapple, and we'll be using both the pineapple peel and the fruit itself. So consider watching this video till the end so you don't miss a step. So you just peel your pineapple. Pineapples are loaded with so many nutrients, most especially vitamin C, to glow your skin from the inside out. It has disease fighting properties thanks to the fact that it is a very powerful antioxidant. It has an active enzyme in it called bromelain to help you digest the heaviest meals you eat. It equally helps to reduce the risk of cancer. So what you want to do is to separate your pineapple peel. After peeling, make sure you wash the peel thoroughly. As you see, this is my pineapple peel. I will wash it thoroughly again, and voila, that is my clean pineapple peel. So you want to slice this pineapple now into sizes that you can easily blend. Pineapples help to boost the immune system as well. As I mentioned, help you digest the heaviest meals you eat, glow your skin from the inside out thanks to the fact that it is highly rich in vitamin C. So you slice your pineapple in little sizes that you can easily blend. You want to thoroughly wash your pineapple after slicing. You just manipulated with the peel. So this is my washed pineapple, washed and sliced pineapple. The next thing you want to add, which is very important, is ginger for flavor and equally to help with the cleansing. So you are adding ginger. So with the pineapple peel that I will be adding in here, that is what will help to cleanse your system now, flushing toxins out of your system so your skin can breathe and glow. Because when your system is dirty, you look so dull, you don't look fresh. So it is like cleansing your skin to look glowy and loading your system as well with a lot of nutrients. So you want to slice your ginger. This is the quantity, not too much, as it will equally help you to digest food you eat. Ginger is a very powerful metabolism booster. It has antifungal, antibacterial properties to cleanse your system, removing toxins, bacteria, and the rest from your system as well. So you equally want to slice your ginger in tiny sizes that you can easily blend in your blender. As always, make sure to re-wash your ingredients. This is my clean ginger. You add in your pineapple. So consider watching everything to the end. The first thing now you want to do is to boil your pineapple peel. So you put your pineapple peel in your pot, add in 4 cups of water, 4 cups of water. Then you leave it to simmer, low heat to simmer, so everything like infuses in the water with low heat. Yeah, so you make sure you stir and press so everything gets like infused into the water like I just did. Then you now want to pour that water. You see this color now, everything has been infused, all the benefits, everything we want now is in this water. You want to now leave it to cool down. Leave it to cool down for like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and I'll show you what to do next. So this is it, cooled for 15 minutes. I kept it for 15 minutes. That is the peel. You can throw it now. It has no use again, so I'm trashing it. Then so now this is it now here. You want to put your pineapple, your sliced pineapple with the ginger in your blender, and you add in the juice from the pineapple peel. So this is the water you got from boiling your pineapple peel. You want to now add it into your pineapple and ginger. Yep. So you want to blend now to make sure you get a very smooth consistency. Take your time and blend. After blending and achieving a smooth consistency, you just need to get your jar and a sieve. As you can see at the top, I'm using a sieve to like separate the chaffs from the juice, from the pineapple, the core, most especially the core of the pineapple and the ginger. You want to use a sieve to like separate and get just the juice. So I'm using that plastic spoon to like press in the juice, separating in it from the chaffs. This is what I used with the sieve to like press in the juice into my jar. So what you want to do now, you can throw the chaffs, or if you want to bake your cake, muffins, whatever you want to use it with, you can use it for flavor, and it is still good. You can store it and use, and voila, this is the juice. Very tasty and so much beneficial to your system. So I hope somebody found this video helpful. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.